Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class. Uses and abuses of mobile. Introduction. Nowadays cell phones have turned into a fundamental requirement for us. So cell phones have changed the existence of people for a long time. Mobiles have become far-reaching from one side of the planet to the other. With the creation of the cell phone, the composition of letters has turned into a set of experiences. Furthermore, cell phones additionally play an essential role in social jobs and humanity. It relies upon its utilization of it. In summary, we can say that cell phones have their utilization and abuse that rely completely upon the client. Utilizations of cell phones. There are loads of purposes for cell phones. Cell phones are an essential piece of our day-to-day interchanges. All cell phones can voice and basic messages informing administrations. Their little size, moderately minimal expense, and many purposes make these gadgets entirely important to advocates who are progressively involving them for correspondence and association. Then again, cell phones, particularly cell phones, are utilized to watch motion pictures, mess around, pay attention to research, or peruse the web also. Picture of benefits of cell phones. Maltreatment of cell phones. Then again, there are a few detriments of cell phones. Youngsters or understudies are extraordinarily affected by the hateful side of cell phones. Rather than involving the cell phone for their benefit, a few understudies or youngsters are seen burning through their important time enjoying paying attention to melodies, playing web-based games, spending many hours on interpersonal interaction sites, sending adverse messages, watching cheap recordings, and so on. Again, some doctor guarantees that inordinate utilization of cell phones can be being unsafe. And the cell phone is the most famous and valuable device right now. However, there are a couple of limitations to cell phones. We can't prevent the helpfulness or need from getting cell phones in our everyday life. The most likely cell phone has a few negative perspectives, or we can essentially express that there are a couple of disservices of cell phones. Yet, we can't reject that the cell phone has rolled out a noteworthy improvement in the advancement of our civilization. A large portion of the specialists is in understand that cell phone is the reason for pain and discomfort for around 70% of teens. They should defeat this bad behavior, else it could lead them to some serious well-being or mental issues.